Hello there YouTube, it is me again. What you're looking at here is my Lakewood S223. I paid $15 for this, and it runs pretty well. This is an as-found condition. I need to get it cleaned up and oiled, but I have not had the time to do any of that. I now have two of these square box fans. Square, the ones without the rounded corners. I have this one, and then I have the Dayton version, which is a slightly different collar and with a 3-prong cord, but other than that, I think the Dayton version's the same mechanically. It is a 3-speed, so S223. I don't know if they made an S222. I do have a K222 with the 2-speed motor. That's in my basement. Whenever my basement floor gets wet, I use that on low speed to just move air around and help dry things out and help the dehumidifier pick up that humidity. Anyways, without further ado, we will turn it on. Here is high speed. It does have a case of the shakes. However, it's not very bad. The camera doesn't show it because image stabilization. This is medium speed. Here's low speed. And now here is off. Very good spin down time. So yeah, that is my Lakewood S223. I will see you guys in the next one.